Are you tired of digging through Xero's help system and never finding what you need? You type in a search term and get 100 results that don't quite match your problem. So you end up clicking through menus, wasting time and getting more frustrated. I am going to show you the exact search trick to get the answers you need in seconds. No more guessing, no more clicking around, just straight to the solution. Here is the plan. First, I will walk you through logging in and navigating to the search bar. Then you will learn exactly how to enter your keywords and pick the best result from the list. It is a simple process, and once you know it, you will never dread searching for help again. Start with the first step, logging into Xero. Go ahead and open your browser and head to the login page. Enter your email address and password like you normally would. If you have two-factor authentication set up, just complete that step as well. It is the same login you use every day. Once you are in, you will see your organization's dashboard. This is where all your accounting lives. But we are not here to work on accounts right now. We are here to find some help. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. It is usually your initials inside a small circle, or maybe a photo if you have uploaded one. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your shortcut to everything personal in Xero, from your account settings to your notifications. And the option we need is right here. From the Profile menu, select Support. It is usually near the bottom of the list. Just click on it, and it will take you directly to the Xero Central support page. This is their official hub for all help articles, guides, and community discussions. You have basically just opened the door to the library of solutions. Now, let us find the exact book you need. Once the support page loads, you will see a search bar right at the top. It says Search Xero Central. This is your golden ticket. Do not scroll down and start browsing categories. That is a waste of time. Just go straight to this search field. It is designed to understand what you are looking for, so trust it. Now, type your specific question or keyword into the search field. This is where the trick comes in. Be specific. Instead of typing something vague like invoicing, type something like how to create a recurring invoice or why is my invoice not sending? The more specific you are, the better the search engine can match you with the right article. Think of it like talking to a really smart assistant. Give them a clear question and they will find you a clear answer. After you hit enter or click the search icon, the results will appear. Look through the list to find the most relevant article. The top results are usually the most popular or the most directly related to your keywords. But do not just click the first one. Scan the titles and the short descriptions underneath. You are looking for the one that matches your exact situation. If you are using Xero for a specific task, like reconciling a bank account, look for an article that mentions that exact process. Finally, click on the article that best matches your query. It will open up with a full step-by-step guide, screenshots, and often a video. Read through it carefully. You will find that most of your questions are answered right there in the article. And that is it. You started by feeling lost in the help system, and now you have the exact information you need to solve your problem. So the next time you get stuck in Xero, just remember the path. Log in, click your profile icon, go to support, and search with specific keywords. It takes less than a minute. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that these real-time explanations are making a difference for you. Thanks for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next one.